4 ways to say yes to an invitation or activity. Number 1, I'm game. You want to see a movie tonight? Sure, I'm game. Number 2, I'm in. How about a drink after work? I'm in. Let's do it. 3, I'm down. Do you want to grab a coffee before the movie? I'm down. Yeah. 4, up for it. Why don't we walk to the restaurant? Sure, I'm up for it. Remember, you can also make the expression part of the question. Are you up for a movie tonight? And the answer would be sure or not really. Let me know what expressions I forgot. What other ways can we say yes to an invitation or activity?